What's going on, guys? Figured we give you a little bit of an office tour. Our new office here off of Art Museum Drive. I mean, literally straight off of Art Museum Drive in Jacksonville, Florida. Go ahead and flip the camera for you guys. Here we are. We haven't put our signs up, but it was an old house that we remodeled. And as you can see, there's Art Museum. Try not to get hit by a car. But literally right off of Art Museum. Got some nice new sod put in. Gonna walk over here, excuse this big truck. We've just got some of our parking out front. We've got a Big Ben's car right here, a little C250 Mercedes, and this beautiful AMG GT Mercedes. If you guys haven't seen the video on this thing, it is insane. All right, so walk in the front.
It's going to appear in your email. I'm going to call you back as soon as it's sent. Now let me tell you how that
We've got bathroom here. Utility room, you guys don't care about all that. Flip the lights on for you. This is a kitchen area. Don't know where the light switch is. Nice. Just a closet. But yeah, kitchen area, nice little remodel kitchen. Got the nice new fridge. And what's great is open this door, and this is kind of our private lot. Anything more higher end, we're gonna put back here. We've got our Bentley, got a little trailer back there. Also have a nice golf cart that we've got under cover. What's really nice is this hose. It's one of these detachable hose. You can pull it wherever you need. Keeps everything really nice and organized back here. Got some gravel. And then the cool thing, we also updated the fence to like a sliding fence. That way, just keep everything locked back here. Back inside. Got our boy Justin right there. Yes, sir. Head retail sales manager on the YouTube. Going into the main man's office, Josh's office here. And then back into my favorite part, another kitchen. Don't know why we have two kitchens. Any reason for two kitchens, Justin? He's a little camera shy. But yeah, got a nice updated kitchen back here. And then voila, kind of the man cave, I guess you can say. Got our board up there, a couple TVs. We can watch some live auctions and even stay here if you want. So if you're buying a car from us, hit us up, because maybe you're traveling from out of state, charge you an obscene amount for you to stay here at the office. But you know what? If you need it, we can provide it. Got some keys up there. And then back into this corner, just a bathroom. Man, this is some high quality materials right here.
Washer and dryer.
Washer and dryer too over here. Come on, man. What is not here? What happened with this thing? A little old. What do we not here or have here at wholesale? That's kind of what I'm starting to wonder. I think we've got a little bit of everything. Oh, true. And then if you come out this door, usually keep this locked, but show you the side of the building that no one's interested in. But nice, easy access, new mulch. Got that. Is that a Bentley Bentayga? Oh shoot, no, it's a Volkswagen. But yeah, nice side entrance there, little window. But if you guys saw the before and after of this, you would be amazed. Yeah, guys, that's just a little bit about our office, a little sneak preview. I'm sure we'll have some more videos, kind of more in depth in the future about the new office. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps us out a lot. And also go to govdeals.com/dealguys to see all of our current inventory. That's where you'll see most of our updated current inventory, at least.